Source is doc/Xu defending a dramatic turnaround. The South Korean Parliament, the National Assembly, has voted in favor of the country's first cryptocurrency-specific legislation in the past few hours. The amended Special Financial Transactions Information Act, which was approved by a National Assembly Finance Committee in November last year, will effectively create a framework for the country's cryptocurrency industry. The crypto-specific portions of the bill are largely based on the GSFAT guidelines about how governments should police what it terms as virtual asset service providers, VASPs, namely crypto exchanges and brokerages. Per multiple media reports, including Myeongkyangdae, the House voted unequivocally in favor of the bill, with 182 votes for, 0 against and no abstentions. The bill, which will become effective in March 2021, will also see a system of cryptocurrency taxation formally introduced. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.